So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Google Analytics account and to generate the reports that are needed for this assignment. So in order to access the Google Analytics demo account for the merchandise store, you'll go to Google Analytics demo account, and then you'll go down to Google Analytics for property Google Merchandise Store, between brackets web data, and click on that. And then you will get the analytics for the Google Merchandise Store. Okay. So what you will need to do then is, for most of these reports that you want, they're not readily available. Okay. So for example, the first one, you want to get the traffic acquisition. What you do is you go to reports, acquisition, traffic acquisition, and then your table, as you can see here, needs to include the source, the users, sessions, and average engagement time. Okay, so I'm going to move this to the side here. You're not going to see it. But what I'm going to do over here is, remember, it said that the traffic acquisition reports is under reports. So you click on reports. Okay. And then under reports, you'll find that there's acquisition, and then there's traffic acquisition. So you get to that over there. Then what you need to do is, there are a lot of dimensions here that are reported that you don't necessarily want. You want different dimensions. So what you need to do is, at the top right-hand corner, that says open this report as an exploration. So you click on that. So now you can edit this report as you want it. You can take away certain metrics and add certain metrics. So in this case, we wanted the source. So the source is already on the side, so that's fine. What you need to do is you need sessions, so that's fine. You need the number of users, and you need average engagement time. So what you have is engagement rate, that's fine. But I want to show you what if you want exact things. So I'm going to take away engage sessions, because we don't need that for this report. Going to take engagement rate, event count, key events, session key rate, and total revenue. When I click the X next to that metric, it goes away. What I'm going to do is add metrics. So you click on that plus button next to metrics. And then I'm going to look for sessions. We said sessions already. So we need average engagement time. So I think there is an engagement. We can do it here, engagement. We can search at the top. Okay, so it says average engagement time per session, and that's under user. So I'm gonna click on that, because that's what I want. And so we said, and I need users. Okay, so active users. So users, I'll click for users. Under users, there is active users, new users. So active users are the ones who have recently used the website. And I've clicked this as well, and click confirm. So now I have another two metrics here. And what I want to do then is, I'll actually take the values from the right. Remember, we want to take also from the right-hand side total revenue, take away session key rate event, key events. We don't want all of that. We want event count. We don't want event count. We will take away engagement rate. Sessions, we'll read that, and we'll take away engaged sessions. And then what we'll do is, I'll add those new metrics that I had on the left. Okay, so I'll add that one, average, and then I'll add active users. Okay, so yeah, those are all what I needed over here. And you can, if you want, you can also reorder them as you want. So I want them to be exactly like I had in the table, and then sessions and average engagement time. So that is exactly what I want. So see, I edited the table as I wanted for this one over here. And this is the method that you use for any of the other tables.